quick card for you, super easy, no cost, literally leftovers card. Hello my sweet friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marta here, and a box of really interesting things, leftovers, recycled items. Challenge for today is to create some beautiful card and using as little as possible, costing as little as possible, and really use what you have, and also try to recycle, try to go back to old things and maybe things that just didn't match to anything. So let's do that. What do we have here? Just grabbing first thing literally from the box, because here is my box. I'm gonna go for all sorts of elements that I see here that are leftovers. Actually, I'm looking that these are very pretty leftovers, nearly too nice, too good, but I do have some packaging as well, and I would love to use a packaging too. Why not? So we have some gorgeous packaging, so let's see. Absolutely. Oh, that's absolutely gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So I'm thinking that this could be done somehow, maybe like this. And what else could we use? So I'm trying to really put my mind into creating something that I love that. Do you know what? Let's just glue it down. So I'm gonna try to really create oh, I love this. I just found this now on my desk. From as little as possible, trying to really use things that I don't normally look into. So this is like a box filled with, like, I'm putting things, tucking in things in here, and I never look back. So today I'm looking back. So maybe, oh, I love that. So maybe it's not, you see, it is a leftover that I have left at some point. So maybe cost-wise, some of them, like this, for example, this is something that it's from scrapbook paper, but really I wish you to see that it's possible to be creative and use in different ways, even leftovers like that. Okay, this is a pretty leftovers, I agree with you, I agree, but even background like this where I have used packaging, so please try that. I'm gonna leave this for now because we can actually start gluing down and adding things and maybe add some gesso. Do you know what? I love how it lays, so I'm just gonna add some touches of hot glue gun here. Okay, I just really love how it is, so I don't want this to be anything different. There we go, I love that. And then we have this element which is here, and it's really nice. Oopsie, and I would like this to be here, so there we go. So that's what we have right now. I left purposely some bits being opened, and I'm thinking I got this gorgeous laces from my friend, so I think this could be nice, or maybe, oh yes, this could be nice. So let's add that. Look, I'm really not planning anything here today. I'm here to just have a little bit of fun, and if I can create something pretty with you, that's fantastic. But no plan, no thinking, just really, oh, gorgeous. So how about if I cut this one even more? There we go. Come on. Cut this one away. Okay, so we have this, and as you can see, I'm literally grabbing what I have here on me, on my hand. Of course, I have lots of leftover papers that are so stunningly pretty and all, but I really would love you to know that I haven't used them for forever. So I really wish to use and wish you to start using them. Oh, I think I like that. This could match it somewhere. So ripping apart, like here, oh, I love that. But I would love this to be maybe on a cardboard. So if I can get some cardboard, that would be great. Very strange. Couldn't find the cardboard, but I found this 3D 3D thing, which is perfect, I think. And you know what? I need more glue. And you know what? I'm not gonna be using actually the rows from since we are about to do as much as possible of sticking to no cost, I'm gonna use my own flowers. So no, those flowers, my own flowers. And to tell you and show you and prove you that these are my flowers, this is how I paint them. Video on that is on my membership. If you wish to join my membership, please do. Link is below the video in the description box. So I have painted those and I've managed to make some more, but all of that is in the video. So I think really paint your own flowers, guys. Just jump in and paint your own flowers, and that's it. Oh, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. So I really feel I can show you a little sneak peek how come I have them. Tick, 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 tick. I fussy cut them indeed from that, but yeah, it's a little bit longer story. So if you're curious how I did it, you can check it out. Let me see what else I can find here, but I really love that already. And I'm thinking that this is such a nice idea already. Okay, how about this here? Wow. Wow. How cute is this? I really think it's cute and nice. I love that. I wanted to add something else. Let me see. I got some cute nature elements from a friend of mine. Let's see if this could be cutely added here. That could actually be really, really nice. Maybe this one is too big, but here, look at those. Look at those. How nice that is, and color-wise it is actually matching. So you know what, I'm thinking, I love that as it is. So what I will do is I will glue down this flower here because it's perfect. Then I think this one is perfect as well here. Oops, don't burn yourself using hot glue. So let me just, there we go. I'm gonna add it then, and this one will be there. So what will be cute, I think, is imagine this in the middle, literally adding, hi baby. Little knock knock came in. Imagine adding anything like some title here, something. I think it would be just so gorgeous. It's literally leftovers from my box that I keep on, and I'll be back to this box from time to time. I think it's so good to be back. Look at all these gorgeous elements. Those are so pretty. Oh wow. I don't know how and where to add it, but I think it deserves to be added. It's so absolutely stunning. Let me see if I can get some string, although I think string could be even a little bit too much, but maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see, some sort of string. Oh wow, I think it's so pretty. I really love that. And it's I can't believe it that it's so simple, that actual card right now. The idea is so I love that. So simple. What about here? It's just difficult for it to... Oh, wow. Stay there. Stay there. As you are. Stay there. Please don't move. Please don't move. You are perfect. As you are. Imagine this now. Oh, wow. So cute. So pretty. There we go. Let's jump in to it. Let's jump into it. Just quickly, let's think through where. Here, there, here, there. Maybe like something like this. There we go. Oh wow, I love it. Okay, wow. I'm not gonna add any medium, maybe except splashes when we finished. I love that so much. Okay. The flowers, I have to say, and I'm not gonna be super, they are gorgeous. They are gorgeous, so yes. Oh, I'm so pleased with them, so happy with them. Okay, here it is, simple card like that, but you know, oh, because of your smile, you make your life beautiful. You make life beautiful. That could be nice, but I think it's a little too strong, or that's different, a little bit too strong, a little bit something too strong. Let's see if I can find some other title. I think I found them. Leftovers happiness. Leftovers from the chipboards. They are in the store. To show you how they look like, let me just grab one so you can see them. Da-da-dam. Super cute, isn't it? I really think they're fun and cute chipboard elements. Look, I also grabbed this, so let's see if this is not too much. Like, no, well, yes and no. It would work, but it may also be awesome without it, because it's just so delicate overall. Wow, how gorgeous that is. Happiness anywhere will match, but I think here is just, or here, yeah, in the middle. Oh wow, I'm so happy, so pleased with that card now. It's literally 5 minutes card, guys. I didn't check the clock, but it feels like 5 minutes card. And we are done. So all I have left is add a few splashes of white, and that's it, because why not to finish it with white splashes. But it's a card made from literally out of what's the word, like these seems to be, nothing is matching here to each other, but that's the beauty of it, you know. Nothing matches, yet everything just blends in greatly together, and no need for adding any colors, any mediums. Look, everything is just happy camper with each other. So wow, maybe if I could add and change something, if I knew what I know now, maybe I would make some background at first, like some regular paper, scrapbook paper or something. Do you know what? I'm gonna jump in and make more flowers like that in different colors, because these are just gorgeous. So don't you think? I love them. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap up at that. Thank you so much. That was a quick card for you. Super easy, no cost, literally leftovers card. And I think I may jump into making one more card like that, just to see, just to prove that this box filled with leftovers, literally, and you have tons of boxes like that, I believe. It's good to go back to them. It's really good to use what you have around, and yeah, just enjoy it. Enjoy what you have, and also get your pretty things. You know, don't keep them, don't hoard them. Use the pretty things as well. This is it. Thank you so much. I love you loads, but I have to go. Till the next time, happy crafting. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Bye bye.